Alright guys, welcome again. So in this lecture we will set up the store page. Okay, so when we click on this store button, it should go to our store page. Alright, so to do this we first need to set up a store URL. Alright, so it should be like this. Okay, so localhost 8000 and store, so it should open the store page. And for that let us go to this URL. Go to the store apps, and we don't have the urls.py here because we created the brand new app, right? So that's why we should manually create, or what we will do is we will just copy this. Okay, where is it? Here, copy, and let's paste it here. Okay, so we have the urls.py here, so let's just delete all this stuff. Oh, sorry. Okay, so we only need this path. Okay, so delete this one too, and this one. Alright, so we have the URLs now. So here, so let me tell you this, whenever the user comes to the any particular URL, so he first comes to this urls.py. okay, so this one, great cart, this is the project level directory, this is the main urls.py file. Okay, so here he will come, so that's why we need to route him to our store page from here. Okay, so that's why let's say path. So when this combination satisfies, we should include the store.urls. okay, he should come to our store app, and inside the store app we'll be having one urls.py file here, that is this one. So we will handle him here. Okay, so let's I think that's all here. Save it and come back to this urls.py file from the store app. Here what we will do is this should be blank. Okay, that means after store there is nothing, right? So that's why we will be keeping it blank, and views.store. okay, and we will name it as store. Alright, so now this is done. We have to create the store views now. Here one more thing, from dot import views, because we need views to be here. Alright, so next we will go to this views.py file. Here let's create a function called store, pass in the request, and return render, pass in the request again, and this is the, let's make a store folder first. Inside that store folder we will be having one store.html. okay, so this doesn't exist yet, but we will create it. So right click on the templates folder, new folder, and say store, and inside this store create a new file. Let's name it as store.html. Alright, so now let's test this in the h2 tag. Let's say store page, save it, and let's refresh this one. Okay, there must be something wrong. What happened? Include is not defined. Okay, so here what we did is, in the great cart we have urls.py file here, right? We should include we should import this include function. Okay, so this comes from the django.urls import path comma include. So now when we refresh it, okay, so the store page is working. Okay, so the next step is to render the HTML template inside the store page. So before that, what we will do, we will add the base template here. Okay, so let's say extends base.html. okay, and let's say block content and block. Okay, what this will do is it will bring the header and footer. Okay, so you can see this is the header and this is the footer. All right, and go back to the here, I mean the store.html, and inside this block content we need to add all the the bootstrap code. So the bootstrap code is in our Sublime Text, right? So we have the we already used this index.html, so now this time we need to use store.html. okay, so just scroll down, and we don't need all these things actually, because it is already rendered by the base.html, right? So we also don't need this header also, because it is coming from the navbar.html. okay, but we need this one now. Let us copy this section, okay, and go to here and paste it here. Now let's see how it looks. Refresh. okay, now you can see this is just the title, and again go back to here, and now let's copy this section content. So I think from here it starts, and it will end here. okay, so let me just copy this one from here, go up, all right, so here it starts, right after the header ends. Select this and copy this and paste it here. Oh sorry, I think we two times we copied, because we don't need this one, this part, because we already copied that one, right? So that's why from here copy this and where is it, here, paste it here. All right, save it and refresh. okay, so now the template is working, but don't worry about this broken images. We will just fix it. okay, so rest everything is proper. So for this to fix, we just need to add the static, right? So first of all, let's load static, and then the first one is this one, this the product. Scroll down, and we should be having one product here. okay, so this is the one. okay, just cut this and say static and paste it here. now let's refresh. okay, so this is working now. The same way we need to do for all the products, but we will not do it, okay, because we are going to delete all these products now, right? so that's why one product is enough now. okay, so now, all right, so in the next lecture we will bring in all the products from the database here. okay, we will delete all these static products, and we'll loop through the products that are in the database, so that it will print all the dynamic products. all right, so thank you.